Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about best Epson 5030UB calibration settings. Best Epson 5030UB calibration settings. Recommended picture modes. THX mode. Ideal for dimly lit rooms. Provides accurate colors but might appear dim in brighter environments. Adjust brightness if necessary. Cinema mode. Excellent for movies. Offers a balanced color profile and natural tones. Living room mode. Suitable for well lit spaces. Enhances brightness without overly distorting colors. Calibration settings for 2D content. Contrast 45 to 50 depending on room lighting. Brightness 48 to 50. Color 50. Tint 0 neutral. Sharpness 5 to 7. Color temperature set to 6500K for natural whites. RGB adjustments. Red gain +1. Green gain -2. Blue gain +2. Calibration settings for 3D content. Picture mode 3D cinema. Brightness 55 to 60. 3D often appears darker. Contrast 50. Depth settings. Adjust based on personal preference and content. Additional tips. Firmware update. Ensure the projector is running the latest firmware version. Users report improvements in image sharpness after updates. Check via Epson support page. Lighting. Minimize ambient light for THX and cinema modes. A dark room significantly improves color accuracy. Professional calibration. For ultimate accuracy, consider hiring a professional or using tools like the AVS calibration disc. Screen size. Calibrate settings based on your screen size, that is 100 or 120. Larger screens may require slightly brighter settings. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.